Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ChatGPT Plus features, quick fix step by step clearly. To access ChatGPT Plus features, start by logging into your OpenAI account. Navigate to the main dashboard. On the left side, find the option for ChatGPT. Click on it to open the chat interface. Once you're in the chat, familiarize yourself with the input box at the bottom. Type your prompt or question directly into the input box. Before hitting enter, select the plus option if it's available. This ensures you're utilizing the enhanced features of ChatGPT Plus. If you're looking for specific features, check for any available models like GPT-4. Use these models for more advanced capabilities and improved responses. After selecting the model, press enter to send your prompt. Wait a moment for the response to generate. Review the answer provided by ChatGPT. If needed, ask follow-up questions for clarification or deeper insights. Remember to adjust your prompts to get the best results. Utilize the code or output formatting options, if available, for coding-related queries. Explore any customization settings that might enhance your experience. Lastly, always consider providing feedback on responses for ongoing improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.